Hi class 2, welcome to English literature class. I hope all of you are fine and you are practicing and learning for the half yearly exam. So please study properly and practice your handwriting. You know the handwriting book. From there also 10 marks will come for your exam. Okay, so practice the handwriting. Today we will learn the true and false. How to attempt this question true and false in the exam. Okay, so all of you take out your copy and write down the true and false. Okay, so this type of questions is going to come for your exam, so prepare well. Now look at the board. The first question I've written, write T for true statements and F for false statements. Okay, so if the statement or if the sentence is correct, what you will write? T. Okay, if the sentence is wrong, then what you will write? F. F stands for false and T stands for true. Okay, you can see that I have drawn the boxes. So inside this box you have to write. Now in the exam you are not getting the question paper in your hand, means you are seeing and writing from the online exam you are giving. So you can give the number. Okay, question number you will write 1 and then you give dash and write only answer. Okay, no need of copying the question for true and false. Okay, for example, if this true and false is under exercise, for example number B, then you have to write B, under that give question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and write only answer. Okay, no need of copying question. So you will give me the answer. Okay, dogs are big, small, short, tall, fat and thin. Is it true or false? So think and tell. Dogs are big, small, short, tall, fat and thin. So I think you have learned. Okay, so what is the correct answer? Dogs are short, small, big, short, tall, fat and thin. No? So it is true. Okay, so give T here. Write T. Okay, then the cat, the goose and the rat help the little red hen in all her walks. The cat, you know that story, Little Red Hen. So the cat, the goose and the rat, they help Little Red Hen in all her walks. These animals help Little Red Hen or they have not helped? They have not helped, no. So here it is written, the rat and the cat and the goose, they have helped the Little Red Hen. So this statement is not correct. So what you will write? F. F stands for false. Okay. Then number 3. Leaves tremble when wind passes by. You know that when wind is passing, the leaves are trembling, they are moving. Okay, so it is correct. Yes. So it is true. The girl, the next sentence, number 4. The girl found a little bunny when the sky was sunny. The girl found the little bunny when the sky was sunny. Is it correct? When the girl found the little bunny? When the girl was reading a funny book. If you see that chapter, you can understand that the little girl was reading a funny book. I am telling you the line. I was reading something funny, then I saw a little bunny. So when the little girl was reading something funny, that time she saw the little bunny. So this is the picture, you know. See, it is written here. I was reading something funny, then I saw a little bunny. But what question I gave here? The girl found a little bunny when the sky was sunny. So it is false. So what you will write? F. Okay. So write F. Then number 5. Rainbow fish gave away all his colorful scales to other fish. Is it correct? Yes. Because at the end of the story we have seen Rainbow fish became very good and rainbow fish gave away all his scales to other fish. So write true. T. Okay? T. Now, some more true and false. I am just telling you, you listen it and try to understand. Okay? And afterwards, I will be sending you the true and false questions in your Telegram group. Okay? From there, you can get other true false questions also. Okay? Now, another question. The old woman was dishonest and had stolen the merchant's purse. The old woman was dishonest in that story, merchant's purse? No, she was an honest woman. So it is false. Then, rainbow fish was happy when he gave one of his shiny scales to the little blue fish. She was happy, rainbow fish? Yes, he was happy. So it is true. Then, the girl found a fly when she was looking at the sky. The girl found a fly when she was looking at the sky. Is it correct? Yes. No, it is not correct. So, it is false. Then, we cannot see the wind, but we can see the leaves shivering in wind. Can we see the wind? No. We can only see the leaves that are shivering in wind. True. Then, the little girl freed all the pets she has caught. Has the girl freed all the pet animals which she has caught? Yes, at the end of the story, she has let all the animals to go in its own way. So it is true. Okay. Everyone ate the excess porridge for breakfast, lunch, tea and dinner from the magic porridge pot. Everyone ate the excess porridge for their breakfast, lunch and dinner, no? So it is true. Then the tiny plant was awake at the beginning of the poem. Was the tiny plant awake at the beginning of the poem? No, it was sleeping. So it is false. Okay. So like this way you go at home, you practice the true and false questions. Okay. And students, you know there are so many other exercise also I have done with you. Please practice that. That is, make sentences, opposite words, who said these words to whom, word meanings, give one word answer, and of course question and answers. So all these things you learn by heart. Okay. So bye all of you.